Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to set up a YouTube feed on Discord to automatically post new YouTube videos. We will use a bot called YouTube. First, start by clicking on your server name, then click on App Directory. Search for YouTube, and then click on YouTube. Click on Add App. From here, choose your server and click Continue. Click Authorize and then clear the CAPTCHA. You will see that YouTube has been authorized and added to the server. Now go to the server and type /notify add. Select your channel. I'll select General. Then type your YouTube channel and hit Enter. Now go to your YouTube channel and select your exact channel name. Copy it, go back to Discord and paste it here. Click on Submit. In the search results, select your channel. This is my channel, so I'll select it. As you can see, I get a notification saying you already have this subscription. This is because I have already added this function before. If you are new and haven't set it up yet, you will see a success notification. Now, whenever I post a new video on YouTube, it will automatically be posted on Discord. You can also test this by uploading a new video and checking if it appears here. We learned how to use the YouTube bot to automatically post YouTube video updates in a Discord channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.